Hi, let's get started. Let's get started new lessons. So today we're gonna learn this 5C. It's about complex number. You will learn something new today. Very important. It will go with you forever. Something new today. Yeah. It's so
Last time.
oh, this was last time. Last time. Okay, last time how we do this? You're taking the square root. So what is that? 2? 2? Just 2? Oh, plus minus 2. Why you keep forgetting this? You keep forgetting this. Plus minus 2, okay? All right, number 2. This is to refresh you. Last time, what did we learn? How about this? Do we take the square root right away? No, because this is not only the square term, it's also have a negative. So you need to take care of negative. How can I get rid of negative? Positive. Negative. Yeah, I multiply by -1 for everything. So I have x squared equal to what? -1 times -16 is positive 16. Now what next? Taking the taking square root, right? Taking square root. That's 4. So x is equal to -4. Yeah, plus minus 4. So that's what we learned last time. So today we're going to handle something like this. What is the difference? What is the difference for this? X squared equal to -4. It's negative. Remember last time when we take the square root of 4, what is square root of 4? 2. Because 4, you break it down, you have 2, 2, and 2 and 2 to go out, right? Yeah. Can we take the square root of -4? No. No. Why? What is, can you break down the -4? -2 and 2, right? Are they the same? No, that's why you cannot do this. But, you know, mathematicians, their own way, that's called a lot, because here, look at this. Every problem has solution. So they don't want to be stuck on this. So mathematicians, they create a new way to handle this. How do they handle this? They create something not real. What is the opposite of real? Imaginary. Unicorn, or some imaginary friend you talk every night. Maybe. So they come up with that. So -4 is -1 times 4. Okay, right? So to dealing with this, they come up with imaginary I equal to square root of -1. Every time you see square root of -1, it's equal to I. I stands for imaginary. Just mathematician, they just come up with that to dealing with this. Because for them, every problem has solution. So now apply to this. What do you have? If I break it down into 2 square root, it's going to be square root of -1 and square root of 4. What is square root of 4? 2. What is square root of -1? I. Right? I. So that is the answer for square root of -4. Yeah? That's basically what we're going to learn today. All we learn today is about imaginary. Your friend that talk every night. So now for this problem, what we're going to do? Take the square root, right? We take the square root of both sides. So now the square and the square cancel out. And you're going to have x equal to what?
2i.
2i. Diego, what do we missing? Yeah, what do we missing? You always need to memorize that. Don't forget this, okay? Plus and minus. Now every time I'm gonna ask you, Diego. We'll ask you about this every time. All right. X squared equal to negative 25. What are you gonna do? You're taking what? Taking square root, right? Taking the square root. Our deduction is solving. Solve. So x squared and square root they cancel out. So we have x. What do we have on the right side? By what? By I. That's crazy. You got the I. Every time you see the negative inside square root, there will be an I. Okay, just remember that. If you see negative inside square root, just do like normal. Okay, square root 25 is fine. But because there's a negative inside square root, just put an I. That would be it. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter if you have I phi or phi I. But conventional way is they write phi I. Yeah. It's just like phi x, right? Phi y, something like that. They put a letter, they put a number in the front of letter. It's a good question.
Could it be like a regular I?
Recursive I would be, yeah, recursive I would be great.
It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult.
Hey. All right, let's continue. Number three. What are you gonna do? You take a square root. Yes, take a square root. Okay, so left side, what do we have? U. That's U. Yeah, U. What is square root of negative 64? 8.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
AI plus minus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too hard, right? Just learn that every time you have a negative inside square root, you have an I. That's it. That's imaginary. All right, number 4. Can I take the square root right away? Can I take the square root right away? No, because I have 5. The square term is only z squared. I need to get rid of 5. How can I get rid of 5? Minus 5. Very good. So cancel this. I have z squared equal to, what is negative 45 minus 5? Negative 50. Very good. Now I can take the square root now. Yes? Yeah. Okay, let's take the square root. So left side square and square root they cancel out. So I have z equal to, what is square root of negative 50? 5 square root. 5 square root of 2. Is that the final answer? Plus and minus. I. Well, like this group gonna give plus and minus, and this gonna give I. So do the test of the test, you should like collaborate. This is a complete, you need to give a complete answer, okay? It needs to have plus minus, and also it needs to have I. If you're missing one of them, it's gonna be point off because it's not complete, okay? Any questions so far? Are you still with me? Yeah? All right. Assignment number 5. Let me know if you need to slow down. If you're still writing. Still writing? Yeah. All right, my beautiful people. How we doing on the 5? What is the square term? Only the y, right? Only the y is square term. So you do the plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. All right. So 3y squared equal, what is negative 38 plus 2? Negative 36. What next? Taking square root? Yeah. It's divided by 3. You cannot take square root yet. So take divided by 3, divided by 3. So y squared, what is negative 36 divided by 3? Negative 13. Now can I take the square root now?
Yeah.
Yes, because only have square term. Square root. So square and square root again they cancel out. So you have y. What do I have on the right side?
No, it's 12.
Nothing. 13. So what do you answer?
This is not 13, it's 12.
Oh, 12. 12.
You are.
Yes, you did. I trust you. So now you can do something with the 12, right?
Yeah.
What is that? So 12. What is that? 4 times 3, right?
2 square root of 3.
2 square root of 3.
2 square root of 5.
Right, 2 square root of 3i. Very good. Very good. That's a complete answer. That's a complete answer. Did your head hurt yet? Still okay, right?
You could choose it and then.
All right, that's good. That's good. Still okay.
Not even having.
Is it negative 12? That's why you have. That's why I have. Yeah, every time you have negative square root. Oh, and do that normal. Now look at this. Okay, square root of negative 12 is equal to square root of 12 times negative 1, right? 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. And then this equal to 2 square root of 3, and this equal to I. Yeah, because this is 12 times negative 1. And then I break this one here. So the full, this is full explanation. Negative 12 is 12 times negative 1. I break the square root, I split up the square root to have square root of 12 is this. And then square root of negative 1 is this. All right, number 6. Oh, more complicated. Number 6. What are we gonna do? How can we handle number 6? What you wanna do first? Okay, let's do that first. So minus 22. Okay, minus 22.
That's 23.
33. I don't know why I said 33. So I have what is negative 9 minus 33?
32.
32. Yeah. What next?
Plus-
Move to what?
Yeah.
Right. You move this one over here. Yeah, move this one over here. So how can I move this? Plus 3p squared. Very good. Oh, I think need to raise this more space. To cancel this out, I have 8p squared equals to negative 32. What next? Square root. Square root? No. Yeah. Divided by 8. You cannot take the square root yet because the square term is p squared, but you have 8. You need to get rid of 8 first. Divided by 8, divided by 8. Now they're going to cancel out. I have p squared. What is negative 32 divided by 8? Negative 4. Now I can take the square root, right? Now I only have square term on one side. I can take the square root now. So Again, square and square root cancel out. So I P equal to, what is square root of -4?
Positive negative two.
2,
I. Very good. Got this. You got this. So every time you have the negative inside square root, just put an I in it.
Oh, and.
You love me.
Okay.
This I can wait outside and you go.
All right. This one, number 7. Which one is the square term? Which one is the square term?
I need to turn it around.
And -4.
N minus 4. Okay. So what do you want to do? How can you get rid of -4? What are you gonna do?
No, add, no. Yeah, add.
Add. How can I get rid of -4? Add.
Divide by 4.
Divide, because this is multiplication. This is multiplication, so you need to divide it. Divide by -4. Divide by -4. Cancel out this. N minus 4 squared. What is 100 divided by -4?
25.
-25. Now, can I take the square root now? Yes? Yes or no? Can I take the square root now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now this is square term, only square term. So I have n minus 4. What do I have on the right side? What is square root of -25?
Positive minus 5.
I, very good. They call plus minus. Okay. Now, so you have 2. You have 2 solutions.
Especially you.
Can I stop right here? Can I stop right here?
Um,
Can I stop right here?
no.
Yes or no? Okay, can I stop right here? Who say yes? Who say no? Yeah, you cannot stop right here because you need to get in by itself. You need to get n isolate by itself. So I need to move the -4. How can I move the -4? Add 4. Very good. So sometimes you will see the solution. They look like this. Okay, there are 2 parts. There are 2 parts. Okay, there's a name for this. There's a name for this. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, everyone. There are 2 parts. Okay, there are 2 parts. The first one doesn't have I. So that part they call real part. Because it's real. Okay, so they call this real part. Then what do you guess what they call for the second part? Okay, I repeat my question again. There are two parts, right? The first part it doesn't have I, so they call it a real part. So what do you think for the second part? What do they call?
Fake.
Fake. What is the other term we have been using?
Imaginary.
Imaginary part. Not fake. Imaginary part. Imaginary part.
No, I'll close.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but yeah. But we rational, we don't write fake part, we don't write like this. You don't use that one on academic. So yeah, you have real part and you have imaginary part.
No. I never said that. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember. Yeah. I said I feel like up to the
Just last part of today's lesson is we're gonna talk a little bit about this, okay? They call complex number. So what is complex number then? Okay. So if the eye, okay, the eye by itself, they call imaginary. But if you have two parts like this, you have the real part and you have the imaginary part, they call complex number. So there we go. Now you learn a new thing. A complex number is very important. If you learn math, they're all talking about complex number. So this is very important thing that you need to know. Okay. Let's just do a few example of how. Okay. Of how you add two complex number. This is standard form.
I never said that.
Okay. Standard form is when the real part comes before the imaginary
I
part.
never said that.
Yeah, easy thing. Is this standard form?
Yeah.
Is this standard form? Yes, right? Yes, it is standard form. Yes, standard form. Okay, standard form. Maybe I just put standard form here. And check mark. So standard form. Okay. Is this standard form? Is this standard form? Who say no? Who say yes? Because why this is not standard form?
Because it's just I.
It doesn't matter. That's mean not question. That's mean just one. Yes, that's mean just invisible one. So this is standard form. Yes, this is standard form. Okay, how about this? Is this standard form? Is this standard form? No, because why? I come first. That's not standard form. Standard form will look like this. When you have the real part come first before the imaginary part. So this is not standard form. Okay? Easy stuff. Easy stuff. So when you add two complex number, you need to match real with real, imaginary with imaginary. That's what is the last part for today's lesson. You're gonna have like an hour left. So pay attention with me. Bear with me. You're done. Okay, bear with me right here. So what is the number example? 8. If I give you this. All right. If I give you this, I ask you to adding and subtracting. Complex number. Okay, adding and subtracting complex number. What you're gonna do with this is you're gonna add the real part to real part, real part to real part, and imaginary part to imaginary part. Okay. Maybe I can write a note for you. Maybe add or subtract real part to real part, imaginary part to imaginary part. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, when you look at this, what is the real part? What is the real part for this? 8. And what is the real part for this? 5. What is 8 plus 5? 4. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 4.
Wait. 13.
13. What is the imaginary part for the first one? Negative I, right? Negative I. What is the imaginary part for the second one? Plus 4i. So what is this? What is minus I plus 4i?
3i.
3i. Very good. Is this already in standard form?
Yes.
Yes, so that's your answer. So that's it. You add, subtract the real part to real part, imaginary part to imaginary part. Just 2 more. And just 2 more. That's it. Can you erase this? Can you erase this? Yeah? All right. All right. So let's just adding. Do more on this. We have 7 minus 6i minus 3 minus 6i. And the last one is 10 minus 6 plus 7i plus 4i. Okay, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Bear with me. We almost done. We almost done. Just 2 more. Okay. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? 4. Right. This is 4. But
Let's go.
let's rewrite it first so we can see it easier. So when I take out the parentheses, what changed? I have negative 3. What next? Plus 6. Yeah. Plus 6. Because I have negative right here. You like distribute the negative to the inside. Now, what is the real part? What is combiner term? It's just like combiner term, is it? Combiner term. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? And what is the imaginary part? Negative 6i and plus 6i, which is 0. So 0, we don't really need to write a 0. The 4. Any question?
Where is your man?
It's gonna be too much. Okay, last one, then we're done. How about this? You wanna do this by yourself? I'm gonna go around, check and give you the homework when you're done. Okay, do it by yourself. For number 10. Give me the final answer. It is 10 minus parenthesis 6 plus 7i and then plus 4i.